at Mercedes-Benz storeroom. We are here for like a fun day out with Mercedes. We are going to take like 3 cars and then we are going to go to Karjat, and there's like a fun brunch and like lunch planned. So we are going to do that. I'm very excited to take you guys along with me. So let's go. Mercedes-Benz showroom, and this is like the biggest showroom in Asia. And right now I actually have a lot of cars here, but I'm just going to talk about 3 which I have knowledge about. So this is their GLA model. Then we have GLE right there. And then we have GLC. So this range, actually this is like the cheapest. So this is for about 50 lakhs and then that is for like 70. And then this one is for 90. So yeah, pretty like premium cars and very expensive. So I'm very excited to go out, and these have like petrol and diesel, both of the options in there. And there's another one I'll show you. Just keep coming. You're cool, eh? Oh, by the way, I'll introduce you as well.
Hi guys.
Yeah. That's like Ayushi's voice. Okay, so this is, does it have a number? So this is the EQC. This is Ayushi. Her YouTube is creations to inspire. Yeah, she does a lot of DIY stuff, and she had actually messaged me also. We were supposed to meet.
I guess 2 years back.
Was it?
1 or 2 years back, yeah.
I think it was a year back ना. अच्छा
Last year it was COVID.
COVID ना. हाँ हाँ. क्या यार कुछ करने नहीं देते ये लोग. So yeah, she had texted me and then we were about to meet and then we did not meet, but yeah, it's really nice to finally meet and like. This has the greenest facility in the region. There are only 5 authorized service centers in Mumbai, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And this also has like 3S facilities, so that's amazing. And I'm in the car right now. It's been very expensive. Oh, cool! Did you see that? Okay. What?
कॉफी या कुछ चाहिए वापस?
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
अपने नाम से ले लूंगी टैटू.
Coolest people from the.
कॉफी चाहिए.
नाम बताओ अपना.
ग्रूमियोग्राम. तेरा
अरे
माइने
very nice people.
Oh, Nandini. She's like Groomogram. I thought you said agency.
Yeah.
We'll only see this. We only watch it.
Oh my god.
God, Mansi is on my channel. Can you believe it?
Long awaited collab. Kind of. Also, for those who don't know, Majla and I have been friends from past 3.5
years. Yeah.
But never met.
This is the first time that we are meeting. Yeah.
And I didn't even know she's coming.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm here with a lot of influencers and I have Mridul with me finally.
For the first time, right?
Yeah.
We're meeting also for the first time.
Yeah. She's very nice so far.
So are you. So far you like me.
Yeah.
इसके बाद पता नहीं.
I really like the perfume that she's wearing. She's carrying something that I was planning on getting.
I think that's like a big compliment. Like when you wear a perfume and if someone says that it's nice, but that means it's nice.
But I thought she's wearing Good Girl, but then turns out Mansi was
wearing that. You got confused.
Yeah. How are you liking the event so far?
Beautiful. I love the showroom. It's so pretty. And obviously, I don't need to talk more about Mercedes. I think they talk for themselves. They're so beautiful in themselves. Yeah. What about you? Are you enjoying?
Yeah, nice. Like so far, we have just created.
We've just come here.
Yeah. Like I think I'm looking forward to the Karjat and the salt. Did you see the pictures?
No, I actually haven't. Beautiful.
Very pretty. guys, we are finally here, and these guys are like setting up the camera and everything because they want to take a really nice shot. But the drive was really nice. It was
Sales guy. Sales guy.
the drive was good. I said
The drive was good.
not the driver was good. Hi guys, so we just had our lunch, and that's Ayushi and that is Nandini, and right now we are just going to just roam around, see the place because the place is beautiful. I mean, I'm very happy that they brought us here. There's a very cute nursery that we are going to go to, and then I'll show you guys around. It's very beautiful. Okay guys, so we are leaving, and my phone actually is about to die. So I have been looking for a charger everywhere. I literally asked everybody and nobody had it. And then I just got into the car, and the person who is here with us from Mercedes, he actually told us that there is like wireless charging, so you can charge your phone. So I just put that and it's charging, and I'm so happy. And I think that's like the coolest feature. Like the coolest feature according to me. People would be like, you're stupid.